Get ready for the OnePlus 13s. This compact flagship is packed with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, a stunning 120Hz display, and a versatile camera. Discover its innovative Plus Key and AI features for a smarter smartphone experience. 1. OnePlus 13s. Stronger, smarter, smaller. OnePlus AI. 2. Smooth display. Compact size. 120Hz Pro XDR display. 16.05 cm, 6.32, perfect handy. Display size. 3. The fastest Snapdragon registered trademark symbol mobile platform. 45% better performance. 40% higher Adreno GPU performance. 27% more efficient performance. 4. Compact made cool with cryovelocity. Large 4400 mm VC area. 65% more efficient. 5. Oxygen OS 15 with OnePlus Mind Superscript 3 out of the box. Save and organize schedules, concerts, restaurant info, and more with a tap of the Plus key. 6. Search. Power your search using natural, conversational prompts. 7. Voice Scribe. Record, translate and summarize VoIP and video calls across apps. 8. Google Gemini. Get help with writing, planning, learning and more with Gemini built-in. 9. Best battery life ever on a compact phone asterisk. 20 hours 6 video playback. 16 hours 6 social media. 10 hours 6 video calls. 6.5 hours 6 video capture. 3 awesome AF cameras. 50 MP AF wide camera. 50 MP AF telephoto camera. 2x optical zoom. 32 MP AF front camera. 11 unblur. From people to pets, unblur your favorite photos effortlessly. 12 detail boost. Sharp details even when you zoom in. 13 next gen connectivity with 5.5G and independent Wi-Fi chipset. 2 times faster Wi-Fi connectivity than 8 flagships across walls. 50% faster than other flagships even in crowded streets. 14. OnePlus 13's color options. For the user asking about the OnePlus 13s, the anticipated color names are Black Velvet, Pink Satin, Green Silk. 15. The OnePlus 13s is available into storage configurations. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, priced at 54,999 rupees. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, priced at 59,999 rupees. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.